Bonjour, bienvenue à cette 6e session de français en ligne. Donc, Ramadan Moubarak. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes mercredi 29 avril 2020. Tu répètes, mercredi 29 avril 2020. Super. Une dernière fois, mercredi 29 avril 2020. Très bien. Aujourd'hui, I'll be sharing with you first the collection of the 2 exercises that we had to do last week. You remember the crosswords and you had the question about the reading. After that reading, I want you to do yours. So I already asked you to write your text. I want now for you to record it. So I'll be expecting from you to record yourself in a video. So we're doing listening, reading, writing. I invite you also to listen the previous videos to recap everything. If you lost some information, everything is on. And today in that video, I'm going to show you the steps to form your video. Alors, first, I want to say that you have to share a video. That video, I will be sharing then with the community, the school. If you prefer to record yourself as an audio, you also can. And I'll be sharing a link for you to help yourself with that, and then from that link to download your file and ready to be attached in Google Classroom. Okay? So I will be writing all the steps to do for the audio, but the exercise would be as a project having yourself talking and showing the color of your hair, the color of your eyes, okay, all of those elements that we have been working on. And tell me then if you have brothers and sisters. So I will talk about the text that we worked last week in this video to help you showing yourself talking, okay? And we are going to follow the steps together, and then you'll be producing. That's the aim. That's the objective. Like, take that as a good challenge, because it's always good to talk. Allez, c'est parti! So the first exercise you had to do last week was a crossword. So you had to find père, papy, mère, mamie, grand-mère, papa, sœur, maman, frère, tante, cousine, grand-père, cousin. Tu répètes? Père, papy, mère, mamie, grand-mère, papa, sœur, cousin, maman, frère, tante, cousin. cousin, grand-père. Et on a, pardon, j'allais oublier, on a le mot cousin. Pardon. Le mot oncle. Oncle. Voilà. Oncle, the uncle. Ok? Donc, père, papa. Père means father, daddy. Mère, maman. Frère, sœur. Cousin, cousine. Tante, oncle. Grand-père, qui est papy. Mamie, grand-mère. Oncle, tante. Et voilà, il y en a 14 words. Good job, everyone. Remember, we had to do the reading. So you had the text about a kid, and I was asking questions about that kid. So the answers were in the text. I want you to read the text with you again. So take your finger. If it's on the paper, follow with your finger from bonjour, and then you continue and you read with me, putting your finger. Same. If it's on the screen, try to follow, okay? The finger is very important. Bonjour, je m'appelle Louis. J'ai 8 ans. J'ai les yeux bleus et les cheveux blonds. Ma mère s'appelle Amélie. Et mon père Jules. J'ai un petit frère. Il s'appelle Enzo. J'ai une grande sœur. Elle s'appelle Emma. J'ai un oncle. Il s'appelle Colin. Au revoir. Based on the text, we had 4 questions. 4 questions. Numéro 1. Qui a 8 ans? Qui a 8 ans? So check the text and we have Louis. Il a les yeux verts? Faux. Il a les yeux bleus. Tu répètes? Il a les yeux bleus. Numéro 3. Comment s'appellent ses parents? Tu répètes? Ses parents s'appellent Amélie et Jules. Numéro 4. Qui est le plus petit des 3 enfants? C'est Enzo. Répète. J'ai un petit frère. Il s'appelle Enzo. Super. Donc, petit, remember, it will say that it's your younger brother. If you say grand frère, it will mean that it's your elder brother, the bigger brother. And in that context, Louis has a elder sister. Okay? Donc Enzo is the younger one. Good job. Okay guys, so if you come back on the paper of week 5, you will find the same text. I arranged some stuff to make it easier for you. So first you always have to say hello. So in that context you will say bonjour. Okay? Then you have 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That you don't have to say. It's for you to organize. So first, numéro 1, you give your name. Je m'appelle, okay, Louis, and then the age, j'ai 8 ans. So you give your name and you give your age. Don't forget with the age, ans at the end, to know that you speak about the years. J'ai 8 ans. Numéro 2, you speak about your eyes and your hair. J'ai les yeux bleus et les cheveux blonds. Okay? Then you can remove for your color. So you can say, if you have green eye, you will say j'ai les yeux verts. And dark hair, you will say et les cheveux noirs. Numéro 3. I want you to speak about your parents. Ma mère s'appelle Amélie et mon père Jules. So you give your mother and your father's name. Numéro 3. Numéro 4. I want you to speak about your brothers. J'ai un frère. So you can see the number 1 in blue is for boy. J'ai un frère. Numéro 5. You speak about a sister. J'ai une sœur. So you can see in pink for girl, it's number 1. So number 1 will be only the first and the long number that you will say for a boy and a girl. After, it's the same for boy and girl. J'ai un frère, j'ai une sœur. I've got one brother, I've got one sister. Okay? Then if you want to say j'ai deux frères, j'ai deux sœurs. That does not change. Okay? And then you dismiss. Au revoir. Bonjour, je m'appelle Anthony. J'ai 7 ans. J'ai les yeux marrons. J'ai les cheveux châtains. Ma mère s'appelle Amélie. Mon père s'appelle Jules. J'ai 2 frères. J'ai une sœur. Au revoir. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that lesson today. I can't wait to see your videos and have a good week. Bonne semaine.